Hey everybody, what's going on? Brandon here, the Mario Princess and Pauline fan. We got a train coming. Oh, there's a Nathan P3. Yep, it's Nathan P3. Oh yeah, it's a Nathan P3. That truck really gonna make it? Dude, are you really gonna make it to the crossing? I don't think so. I don't think so, because that train is coming. That train is less than a quarter of a mile, less than a third of a mile away now. I don't think that truck's not gonna make it. There you. $22.40, $29.49. $44.68, go for Saturn. AC44C6M, ES44-9W, ES44AC, and ES44-9W. Awesome. $29.49, $44.68, AC44C6M. Awesome. This train is moving too. Illinois Central Hopper, Crab Orchard, CN, Tankers. Those are very dangerous train cars. Wells Fargo, Tankers. There he goes. Well, Dialect, Hopper, Taker, coil seals, bulkhead, modula, Taker, stern beam, Taker, boxcars, ballast car, boxcars, Taker, boxcars, Wisconsin. Surveys, Takers, most dangerous. Survey, black car with bogey cars, wheels, surveys, more Takers, third survey, gondolas, Illinois Central, Wisconsin, T-box cars, CN box cars, surveys, Takers, box cars. Two Saturdays at the end. There goes the end of a Southbound Manifest train. Pretty cool with a ES44AC with a Nathan P3 and an AC44C6M EX rebuild AC44C6M, a EX44-9. That train originates in Chicago, Illinois. It starts out in Montreal, Alberta, Montreal, Quebec, Canada, heads to Chicago, Illinois at the BRC clearing yard to change their CN crews, continues heading south, heads west, and heads south and turns south to Chicago, Illinois, and stops in Chicago, Illinois at the clearing yard, and continues south to New Orleans, Louisiana, where it terminates, crossing the Mississippi River in Memphis, Tennessee. Double train meet on this Tuesday, January 17, 2023. A double train meet on this Tuesday, January 13, 2023 from my main YouTube channel on YouTube. Consider subscribing to my channel, help me complete my goals. And this special shout out goes to Amanda's channel too. So help her complete our goals. Help us complete our goals. Here comes the next video. Roll it.